A customer came to Promess looking for a way to improve their technique pressing magnets into a rotor assembly for electric vehicles. They had originally achieved this by pressing in one magnet with each cycle, pressing the magnet to the desired force until it locked into place within the rotor. They continued this process, manually turning the rotor each time until all 8 magnets were pressed to proper specifications. When Promess was asked to improve on this process, our team of engineers came to the solution of adding 8 additional load cells to the end of the press ram. Promess's UltraPro software can now monitor each magnet individually, allowing for faster cycle times and less operator involvement. The signals are sent from each load cell to 2 Promess digital charge amplifiers, where they then interface with Promess's UltraPro software. This makes it simple to identify misaligned or bad parts, helping reduce scrap rate. This solution for rotor assembly allows for faster cycle times while increasing throughput and reducing scrap rate, making this application perfect for any rotor magnet assembly. Promess, for all your pressing needs.